Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an update for the Happy Blue Year project. This project was started within the Discord group, as I think you all know. Details will be linked down below. And I'm just gonna jump right into it. So of course a lot of blue themed products in here, and the first one that I was working on is a blue eyeshadow. And that was the blue eyeshadow in here in the Amuse palette. I think you might even be able to see it from there, but definitely from the close-up. I did hit pan on this one. I used it another 4 times to hit pan on it, which meant a total of 21 uses, and I've used it one more time today just to make sure it makes one last appearance in this series on my eyes as well. But yeah, I hit pan on the blue eyeshadow, which this year really seems to be the year where I'm starting to learn how to use blue eyeshadows a little bit more. Last year it was a lot of green eyeshadows. This year the focus is definitely a bit more on the blues. So yeah. Then for a space theme product I have the Rimmel Apocalips lip lacquer in Apocaliptic. And I've used this another 11 times, which brings me to a total of 41. When I kind of like move my brush around in here, swirl it around, I can definitely see windows starting to form. I feel like the last time that was kind of the case, but now it's a little bit more apparent, I think. But I still have some work to do on this one. There's only 5.5 mils in here, which is 0.18 fluid ounces, so it's not even that big of a tube, but it's a liquid lipstick, so it's gonna take a little while. Then for blue packaging, the Retinol clearing oil. Not really my favorite product. I don't feel like this does a whole lot for me, but it is completely done right now. There's nothing coming out anymore. So I managed to finish this up yesterday, I think, so it was still a close call, but I'm happy it's done because it's just an extra step in my routine that I don't really feel is making much of a difference. So yeah, but it's done. And then one that I thought would be done as well, this is a blue themed product, is the Baylis and Harling Goodness Sea Kelp and Peppermint body wash, yes. And I thought this one would be done, but there really is like 1 or 2 uses left in here, so it's not completely done yet. It will definitely be done by next time, and I will be really happy when this one is gone as well, because it's just not my favorite scent. But yeah, it's almost done. Then I recently rolled in the Sweet Cheeks matte blush from NYX or NYX in Taupe. This is a Lucky Charm product, just because this is a like contour that works really well for me. I don't know whether it's showing up really nicely today though, but yeah, this is a nice cool tone blush. But for me, of course, this is not something that I would normally wear on my cheeks as a blush. So the fact that this is cool toned works really well for me to contour with. So in that sense, it's my lucky charm, because a lot of bronzers are way too warm toned and like way too dark to show up nicely on my skin. This one does the trick. So you can definitely see that I've been using it at this point. I start to see a line kind of in the middle here, and I don't know whether that is the pen kind of sticking up a little bit more, but yeah, I'm working on it, pretty much wearing this on a daily basis, but it's gonna take me a little while to hit pan on that one probably. Then for a sea theme product, I have the Jelly Pong lip blush in the red color. As you can see, it's almost not popping out from the packaging anymore, the little tip of this thing. But there still is plenty of product left in here. I've used this an additional 5 times, which did mean that I made a little bit of progress again. It's not a lot of progress, but as I've said before, right now my main focus is on this one, because this has been in projects before and I never really got to using it, so I just want to make sure I don't like lose focus of this one. So it will be my main focus product until it is done, which hopefully will happen somewhere this year. So in total I've used this one 11 times now, which is not bad, but I've still got some work to do on it. And then because I hit goal on 2 of the products in here, the eyeshadow and that retinol oil, I will be rolling in 2 new products as well. One of them being this powder. This is the Maybelline Fit Me powder in translucent. And this one I chose because of the blue packaging. Of course, the packaging is not like very blue, but the text on here is blue. I have some trouble finding like products that actually fit the prompts in here sometimes. So as you've seen with some of these other products, sometimes I just have to be a little bit creative. There is blue on the packaging though, so it fits the prompt. This is a product that I've only had for 2 months or so, I think. I only have 1 powder at a time, so this is my only powder. And I'm gonna be working on finishing this one off. Still trying to like form an opinion on this one as well, so yeah, hopefully I can start to do that as well over the next couple of months while I'm working on this. And then for the last product that I'm going to be rolling in, I'm going to be rolling in the black eyeshadow in this Lamcome quad. I know a good few people that like follow along with my Panda palette and Panda's eyeshadows are always really curious to see how things are going with my black eyeshadow, and this one right now is not in a project, so I thought why not roll it in here so you can still see how I'm doing on my black eyeshadow. This one I roll in for a product with a cool tone flip to it, I think is what it's called. And I know when you look at this like this, it's just a black, but the interesting thing about it, and I'm hoping that will show up in the close-up, but I'm not sure whether it will, there is a lot of like really tiny blue glitter in here, which doesn't show up at all when you put it on your eyes or anything. You really have to look at it quite closely to even see it. But it's there, so technically when the light hits it the right way, there is a cool tone flip to it. So again, a little bit of creativity there, but again, it's there. So rolling this one in for that category, and it's gonna be nice to like be working on this one again and being able to show you guys how I'm doing, because I'm using it anyway, so why not have it in a project. Yeah, and that is the other product that I'm rolling in. So what I'm hoping to do for next time is at the very least finish this guy off. Apart from that, I don't think I will be hitting any goals. Just making little bits of progress on the rest of the products is what I'm hoping to do. But yeah, that is it for today. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Bye bye!